In a heated moment, a couple notices a hesitant breath before answering, revealing hidden stress beneath shared care. Instead of escalating, the partner mirrors calm curiosity and asks a gentle question that invites genuine truth. That small pause becomes a bridge, turning a potential quarrel into a cooperative problem-solving session. By numbing emotions without blame, they rebuild trust and learn to read the quiet signals of each other's needs. Over time, these tiny pauses accumulate, guiding them toward deeper connection, even in the hardest conversations.